In this video, we will outline some useful steps on how to use the random number table with the help of a practical example, so you can use it confidently. Let's consider the following example where a company wants to survey 10% of its 100 employees, which requires selecting a random sample of 10 participants. To ensure fairness and avoid bias, the company will employ a random number table, which is a tool designed to introduce randomness into the selection process. Let's begin by defining the population of interest, which in this case represents a workforce of 100 employees in the company, and the desired sample size, which consists of 10 individuals. In the second step, we assign a unique three-digit number, 001 to 100, to each member of the population. Then, in the third and final step, we randomly select a starting point in the table. Let's start at row 2 and column 1, and read the numbers in groups of 3, excluding any numbers that fall outside the assigned range 001 to 100 or any repeated numbers from the sample selection. This process is continued until a sample of 10 individuals is obtained. Now, starting from the first column of the second row, and reading the digits in groups of 3, the first 10 non-repeating samples between 001 and 100 are 37, 40, 4, 59, 23, 31, 18, 35, 7, and 20. Therefore, the employees assigned these numbers will be included in the sample survey. If you'd like to test your knowledge on this topic, be sure to check the quiz link in the description below or visit our community page. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more statistics content.